Hi there, this is Prasanna and welcome back to Shikuyaa Let's Upskill. In this short video, I'm going to tell you the magic of multiplication. Right. What I mean by this, I'm going to tell you how does the multiplication actually works. Sounds interesting? Look at this. I'm going to multiply 7 and 8. Now you may wonder, it's a very simple calculation. To understand how does it work? Let's go. Both these numbers are close to 10, right? So I have written the base as 10. So this is 3 less than 10 and this is 2 less than 10. I am multiplying these two numbers with each other and the answer here is 6. Now the part of the answer on this side, 7 minus 2, 5, 8 minus 3, 5, or minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5, plus 10, that is 5. Let's go with only one. 7 minus 2, that is 5. So the final answer is 6 as it is and the 0 is carry forwarded. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So 56. This is how 7 8s are 56. If you want to learn more such mathematical tricks of Vedic maths and aptitude, stay tuned with us and follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much.